Good day, sir. I am Honorato the Third Eroy,
And I am Hilton Jr.
and we are here for our resilience plan interview. Paying off in significant amount of debt within an end of period.
Finance difficulties where my budget was very tight and I have to make tough choice about how to spend wisely.
1, 2, 3. My discipline, budgeting skills, and prioritizations help me get through it.
I relied on discipline, patience, and determination. I also learned how to budget better, prioritize needs over wants, and find small ways to save.
I'm capable of making a significant lifestyle adjustment to achieve financial goals.
I discovered that I am more resilient and resourceful than I thought. I can handle pressure and find solution even when things feel overwhelmed. Responsibility, finance needs pre- preparation, my future
Currently, I am stressed out of our research. One, how to have a topic.
managing school responsibility, financial needs, and proper for preparing for my future career and my biggest concerns right now.
I plan to seek financial counseling and practice stress management techniques to cope better.
Having emotional support from my family and friends improve my time management, and continuing to practice budgeting can help me reduce stress. Seeking guidance for mentors or trusted people who could give me a new perspective.